One island powers the modern world. Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Intel, they all depend on it. It's home to a company that builds complex chips no one else can make. China wants to control it. The US is determined to protect it. This is Taiwan, the tech battleground between the world's two superpowers. Taiwan is home to just 23 million people, but it powers nearly every device in the modern world. Laptops, smartphones, cars, fighter jets, all depend on Taiwan. Why? Because Taiwan produces over 60% of the world's semiconductors and more than 90% of the most advanced chips. One company makes it all possible, TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. It's the world's most advanced chip maker. TSMC builds chips for Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Qualcomm, Intel, and more. Even US military systems depend on chips made in Taiwan. These chips are the backbone of artificial intelligence, data centers, 5G, robotics, and defense tech. Without them, the global economy would stall. Advanced chips are incredibly hard to make. The machines, materials, and expertise are highly specialized, and Taiwan dominates this space. Losing access to Taiwan's chip supply would send shockwaves across every major industry, from consumer tech to national security. Now add the geopolitical layer. Taiwan sits in a key spot in the Pacific, close to China, Japan, and major shipping lanes. China claims Taiwan as its own territory and says reunification must happen. It's increased military pressure, surveillance, and drills around the island. The US supports Taiwan with arms sales, trade ties, and political visits without formally recognizing it as a country. This strategic ambiguity has kept peace for decades, but tensions are rising fast. Why the US cares? Taiwan is a tech stronghold. It prevents China from dominating advanced manufacturing. It's a key part of the first island chain that contains Chinese military expansion. If China took Taiwan, it could control a huge share of the world's chip supply, gain more influence over Pacific trade routes, extend military reach into the Pacific. That's why both sides are investing in deterrence. China is expanding its navy and cyber capabilities. The US is boosting military ties in Japan, the Philippines, and Australia. Meanwhile, TSMC is building new factories in Arizona and Japan. But experts say it will take years to reduce dependency on Taiwan. Taiwan is more than a political issue. It's a choke point for the tech industry and a flashpoint for global power.